Yadia is a popular electric scooter brand with a global presence across 83 countries. It sold over 10 million electric scooters worldwide in 2020 alone. It currently offers 3 electric scooters called C1S, G5 and S-Like in Nepal. Kuzo Nepal Private Limited is the authorized distributor of Yadia brand in Nepal. Today, we have the Yadia C1S with us and we decided to take it for a ride. It features app-based connectivity, keyless ignition, anti-theft alarm and many more features. Starting with the design of the scooter. It looks stylish with minimal lines running throughout the body. The design is definitely futuristic. The headlamp is LED and it definitely stands out among others. Yadia's electric scooter were designed by the international design agency Kiska, which is known for their design of KTM bikes. The C1S has also won 2020 Red Dot Award. This electric scooter features a 5-inch LCD screen which gives all the necessary information at a glance, such as speed, battery percentage, current mode and many other useful metrics. The scooter is 90% sealed and wrapped waterproof. The dimensions of the scooter are 1790 x 695 x 1240 mm and the wheelbase is 1270 mm. The C1S offers 160 mm of ground clearance with a large 25-liter storage box which can house a full-size helmet very easily. The seat is pretty big and can easily accommodate 2 people. Coming to the heart of electric scooters, the batteries. The Yadia C1S features 60V 32Ah Panasonic lithium-ion battery which gives it a range of 80 km at full charge. It features intelligent power management system along with plenty of safety features such as overcharge protection, short circuit protection and many more. The battery compartment is located on the floor of the scooter which can be opened to take it out. You get 2 ways of charging the battery. Either you can use the port which is located just above the floor, or you can take out the battery from the housing and charge it separately. It takes about 6 hours to fully charge the battery from zero and the battery weighs 11 kilograms. The charger is rated at a maximum output of 60V at 4 amperes. It is important to know that the maximum capacity of lithium-ion battery will be reduced after long-term use because of its characteristic. Starting the scooter is pretty easy. Just push the button on the key and turn the knob right. You can also browse through various modes from here. Now moving on to the performance part. The C1S can reach a maximum speed of 60 km/h with the help of its powerful GTR 3.0 motor. This motor is rated at a maximum power of 2200 watts. It features 2 modes, Eco and Sport. Eco mode focuses on providing longer range with limited performance, while the Sport mode gives the rider the maximum performance at the expense of reduced range. It provides 138 Nm of top speed torque, features 12-inch tubeless tires, disc brake on both front and back wheels, giving you the extra control. In our testing, the scooter performed exceptionally good. The handling was amazing. The acceleration was also pretty good. Riding the scooter felt zippy and overall it was fun. The scooter is well balanced and weighs just below 100 kilograms. The scooter will be perfect for city rides and going nearby places. The C1S is available in white, red, black, grey and blue colors. The price of Yadia C1S is set at Nepali rupees 3,50,000. If you are thinking of buying a new two-wheeler, the dilemma of choosing between an electric versus a petrol scooter is probably on your mind. Should you go for the cleaner, future-ready technology or stick to the tried and tested options? The choice is all yours. This is Prathamesh signing off.